Sanibona bafethu uvane lo namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngeindaba zikabani na, ngeindaba zikaSinoxolo Kwayiba. I'm sure bafethu i-video bekumele ngabe kade ngishayile but le indaba ayihlali kimi kahle. Yabo ayihlali kimi kahle. I did a video before regarding yena uSinoxolo Kwayiba umjida washiya Orlando Pirates. Remember uSinoxolo Kwayiba wathengwa iChippa United. Orlando Pirates decided to sell uSinoxolo Kwayiba kwini na bamdayisele kwi-club abamthenge kuyona. Yabo samthenga isizini esathanda kuqala but umjida akayitholanga igame eningi Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates iyabona kungcono ukuthi imdedele ahambe aye kwini na, ahambe abuyele kule club ade idlalela okuyiChippa United. Yabo so bafethu muyithanda i-content yaVane Sports ungakhohlwa ushaya usubscribe lapha bafethu. I-format entsha le bafethu, i-format entsha angijwayele ukushaya ama-video kanje but ungitshela ama-comments ngabe uyayithanda yini. Ngibabonile abashoyo ukuthi bayayithanda i-format ekanje. Ngizozama ukuthola i-mic siqhubeke kanje bafethu. Uma ama-video ami uwathanda, uma uqala ukuvela la ungangitshela lapho kuma-comments, ubheke kwamanye ama-video esengawashaya before. Sizokhuluma ngobani la? Sizokhuluma ngoSinoxolo Kwayiba bafethu. Why ama-fans engenalo iqiniso? Yabo I feel like ama-fans Orlando Pirates awanalo iqiniso. There are many analysts, abantu abakhuluma ngendaba kaSinoxolo Kwayiba bathi uSinoxolo Kwayiba he's only performing good because he's playing for a small team enjenge-Chippa United. Some players only perform good when they are playing for small teams, which is true. Yabo, which is true. But again, you cannot say that just because we are saying it because umjida ushenga ukuthi ulitholile ithuba ku-Orlando Pirates. Yabo ushenga ukuthi mhlambe okuwayithola i-game time eyiqala waze wayiqeda i-game edlale kahle. Yabo cha, akakaze kwenzeke lokho. Akakaze kwenzeke lokho. Umjida akaze alithola ithuba umjida eyiqala kahle i-game. Yes, I know there was a game, if I'm not mistaken, sasidlala kwi-Carling Knockouts, if I'm not mistaken, ngangikhumbuza. Yabo la I think sadlala ne-Richards Bay, if I'm not mistaken. Yabo wayithola i-game time lapho umjida but kuleyo game umjida akayiqeda ngisho kuyiqeda. Yabo so ngokwami there are players who are playing for Orlando Pirates. There is a player Orlando Pirates emsigning ngoJanuary. Yabo I don't want to single out players and I don't want to compare players, but there's a player that was signed by Orlando Pirates in January until now. Lo mdlalo usedlale more games than uSinoxolo Kwayiba. Lo mdlalo usedlale more games than uSinoxolo Kwayiba. uSinoxolo Kwayiba bamsayina ngonini na, samsayina ngoJuly or August lapho nje. July or August until January. Umjida ama-games awadlalile awafiki kulama games adlalwe lo mfana lo uDe Jong. uDe Jong have played more games than uSinoxolo Kwayiba. uDe Jong scored 1 goal ku-Orlando Pirates and wakora i-penalty sidlala neSwelele. Wascora i-penalty sidlala against iSwelele kwi-Carling Knockouts. No, not a Carling Knockouts, no, against the TTM. He scored that 1 penalty. Yabo. When we go to Banina, when we go to a player onjengobanina, when we go to a player like Mbuthuma, Yamkela Mbuthuma is an Orlando Pirates striker. Yamkela Mbuthuma is an Orlando Pirates striker. I can pull his stats right now. Nizowabona ama-stats lapho ngakunina. Yabo. Njengoba ngiwaphula ama-stats akhe. Umjida, he's a good player. Yanela Mbuthuma is a good player. But there are people who are using this mindset ukuthi umjida, yes, he's a good player, but he's not good for Orlando Pirates. When you have to check ama-stats ayanela Mbuthuma ku-Orlando Pirates, he has played 22 games. Una 22 games. Kulo 22 games unama-goals amangaki? He has 4 goals in 22 games. He has 4 goals in 22 games. Yanela Mbuthuma is a striker. Sinoxolo Kwayiba, he usually plays as number 10, but again, in most cases, bayabamdlalisa as a striker. You can call that player a center forward. But you cannot say he's a striker, but again, he's more of a center forward rather than a striker. So look at the goals akora ubanina akora ulomjida lo. Uskore ama goals ayi-4 Mbuthuma. You will hear people saying, mnikezeni ithuba bafethu usazama, mnikezeni ithuba bafethu usazama. No, you cannot say that. He's a good striker, yes, he can score goals, yes, but if we manage to give uSinoxolo Kwayiba ithuba elithola ubanina elithola uyena Mbuthuma, ngabe sikhuluma enye into right now. I don't even want to talk about uMakgopa. uMakgopa is a good striker, but angifuna ukukhuluma ngaye. Let's check ama-stats ayanela Mbuthuma. Yabo sisakhuluma asiwa-check ama-stats abanina aSinoxolo Kwayiba. Yabo uSinoxolo Kwayiba usedlale kanjani kwi-Chippa United? Ngabe usedlale kanjani? Ingabe udlala kahle kwi-Chippa United? If you look at that, he has the same number of goals then umdlali osedlale 22 games kwi-Orlando Pirates. He has the same number of goals than uYanela Mbutsuma. Let that sink in for a minute. Mina, all I'm saying is that Orlando Pirates ayibanga nalo iqiniso. They were not fair in letting go of ubani na uLomtshide lo. Kwangumele Orlando Pirates imnikeze ithuba. Yebo, mhlawumbe imdedelise kwamabasa imyise kwi-loan, which is understandable. Ahambe uMtshide aye kwi-loan. Bengizo-understanda kuba into kanjalo, mara ukumdedela for good. Keeping players like abo Banina, keeping players like abo Radyobana, keeping players like abo Banina, keeping players like abo Luthuli. Yes, he was loaned out. You were going to do the same thing with uSinoxolo Kwaiba. Why singamdedelanga uSinoxolo Kwaiba on a loan? Athi ukuthola game time abuya azodlala kahle. He's scoring goals right now. Njengoba ekora nje amagoli, abantu abaningi bazothi Vana adlali kahle because Orlando Pirates liyasinda. Engabe uDe Jong wenza better than number 10 esinayo right now. Engabe uDe Jong wenza better than uMfukeng. Let that sink in. Engabe uDe Jong mengena wenza team idlale kangcono. Engabe uDe Jong wenza better than uSipho Mbule. The first half of uSipho Mbule. If you saw uSipho Mbule indlela ayidlala ngakhona the first half of the season. The first half of the season, Sipho Mbule was one of the best Orlando Pirates players abedlala. Right now, uMtshida akasadlali kahle angazi kwenzakalani. Yabo, you can tell me my comments regarding icase yakhe ubani now Sipho Mbule. But you cannot tell me ukuthi uSinoxolo Kwaiba ubengekeze mhlambe uzama ukumshintsha, because I feel like uSinoxolo Kwaiba is more of a system player. Yabo, a system player, umdlali odlala ngama system. I feel like i-system ya Orlando Pirates imshayile akayi-understand. Njengoba engayi-understand nje udinga a coach ozokwazi ukumguide kwi-system edlala ucoach. uSinoxolo Kwaiba wayengafunwanga ubani na uAbdeslam Wadu. uSinoxolo Kwaiba was a player that was signed by Jose Riviero. Jose Riviero wanted uSinoxolo Kwaiba because he played indlela uJose ayedlala ngakhona. He played indlela uJose ayedlala ngakhona. So if you have a player like uSinoxolo Kwaiba, he's not a player ongambiza ngokuthi cha, he's not good. He's good, but he needs a system that can work for him. Why not create a system that can support him? Yabo. Not create a team around him. No, don't do that. Don't create a team around him, but create a system that will work well for the team and work well for that player. We have a squad of new players. Njengoba nje une squad sabadlali abasha, make a system that will work for that player. He's a forward after all. Njengoba nje eyi-forward, many fans will say the same if we release a player like uDe Jong. We'll say the same thing. We released De Jong too soon. We released De Jong too soon. No. There is a system that is played by Orlando Pirates, and it seems like the coach doesn't want to instill. He doesn't want to instill the system. And abadlali, some of these players are being affected. Some of these players are being affected by lento eyenzakalayo. There are players Orlando Pirates abangayitholi game time. Good players who are not getting the game time. Where is Selepe? Selepe is not getting the game time. Where is Lamine? Lamine is not getting a game time. Where is Mbule? Mbule is not getting a game time. Baragay, you can tell me when I feel like he wasn't given a fair chance. Abamnikezanga a fair chance to show himself ukuthi umdlali capable of scoring goals for Orlando Pirates, which is something we are lacking of. We are lacking goals up front, but he's scoring left and right. You saw him scoring against the Mamelodi Sundowns. You saw him scoring against the Mamelodi Sundowns. You saw him scoring against the... Come on now. Let's be honest with ourselves. Let's be honest with ourselves. Ubani othatha decisions. I feel like some of the decisions athathwayo kumele yebo kube khona ne-executive guy ozoba khona ozo-approve lama decisions lawo, because I feel like that decision maybe mhlawumbe Chippa United offered imali engcono kunale mali esamthenga ngayo. Yabo ukube mhlawumbe kunjalo bengizo-understand, but I feel like wadedelwa nje just because. Wadedelwa nje just because. Guys, mina ngikho hip, but-ke wena ungangitshela ama-comments, how do you feel regarding indaba kaSinoxolokwayiba?